Alright, so after the stop, now I'm going to my next destination, which is a petrol station. I'm doing that just in case, although it's only 50 miles. I already set up that as a waypoint, so I'm gonna go there. And yeah, as you can see the views, I did fly my drone. Did like 2 footages or something. So look at the views. Trying to slow down, kind of show you the views on the camera. Really nice views there. Okay, there's a car behind me, so okay, there's I'm changing directions here to this road. Yeah, so there you go. Look at the views over there. Look at the mountains. The mountain is shrouded in like fog and mist and whatever. But yeah, it's not that cold actually over here. It's there was some sun even, but it's fine. Anyway, I'm now on my way to the petrol station. I'll fill up whatever I can because I have another 100 something miles to go. And then we'll continue on with my journey pretty much. It's 11 o'clock already, so I'll have to think about my lunch or dinner on the way there, kind of thing. Maybe can get some. I don't really need anything from the petrol station, to be honest. But yeah, enjoy some music, and I'll see you when I get there. Hopefully there's going to be more views. I mean, on the motorway you saw some mountains and stuff like that already, so it's much better views from the motorway than in England, I suppose. So much more stuff to look at, I guess. Anyway, listen to some music and I will see you when I get there.
Stay a moment. All my walls are falling, and my heart is beating loud until I hit the ground. Will you stay around? sweet to me. This is where I wanna be. On up with you, supersonic. We're on fire, rockin' love alive. On up with you. Just in the backseat of the Beamer, put my feet up, how you feeling? Yeah, yeah. Just in the backseat of the Beamer, put my feet up, how you feeling? Yeah. Just in the backseat of the Beamer, put my feet up, how you feeling? Yeah, yeah. Just in the backseat of the Beamer, put my feet up, how you feeling? Yeah. Just in the backseat of the Beamer, put my feet up, how you feeling? Just in the backseat of the Beamer, put my feet up, how you feeling? So sweet to me. This is where I wanna be. So sweet to me. This is where I wanna be. On up with you. So sweet to me. This is where I wanna be. On up with you. Supersonic. We're on fire. Rockin' love alive. On up with you. Rockin' love alive. On up with you. Just in the backseat of the Beamer, put my feet up, how you feeling? Yeah, yeah. Just in the backseat of the Beamer, put my feet up, how you feeling? Yeah. Just in the backseat of the Beamer, put my feet up, how you feeling? Yeah, yeah. Just in the backseat of the Beamer, put my feet up, how you feeling? Yeah.
Welcome to Glasgow. Welcome to Glasgow. I'm just gonna swing around, and that's it. That's my exit. That's my exit. I only did like 60 miles, so it's like I don't really have to fuel my bike. But the next stop is 100 miles. So if I do 100, that's gonna be like cutting it too close, in my view. Too close of a cut for me, 160 miles. It's a bit too much, and especially if I'm gonna go visit different places and stuff like that. Where am I going? I'm going, just over here. I'm just literally turning over here. I'm gonna go have a coffee as well. So that there is a Starbucks, but I don't like Starbucks. I hate Starbucks. Not that they have a shit coffee, don't get me wrong. It's just I don't like the company itself. Like, I don't like Apple. I don't buy from Apple, basically. I don't want anything from Apple. It's the same with Starbucks. It's like this fucking company that I don't want to deal with, really. So I'd rather go to Costa or Nero or whatever, Nero, whatever you like to call that. Or Pret. I don't think you have Prets outside London. I don't really know. No, you have probably Prets outside London. There's one on the airport. I suppose that's fucking London. Because that's Stansted. Usually I use Stansted for cheap flights. And Greg's is there. Greg's has a shit coffee, but I'd rather go to Greg's. I can get like a sausage roll or something like that. That's not a bad idea, honestly. That's really not a bad idea to go to Greg's. Just there's over there. Okay, so I need a parking space somewhere. Like, where's the parking space? There's parking space. Like, I can fuel my bike, I suppose. There's V-Power over here. That's it. That's the V-Power. That's what I want. Alright, guys. Oh, my ass, mate. I need to withdraw some cash, some proper Scottish currency, which is pound still. Which is still a pound. But I need to withdraw some cash just in case I have cash on hand. I usually don't, but I need to withdraw some cash, and yeah, I'll eat something, have a piss, and then I'm gonna continue on with my journey to the next destination. Alright, so thanks guys for watching, and I will see you in the next part of my trip.